Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix common Steam issue where you see no content, service available or no network connection. So first open the Steam app and log into your account. Now go to the top left side of your screen and click on the Steam icon. Now from the drop down menu click on settings. This will open a pop-up window. From the left-hand menu, click on Downloads and scroll down until you find the game file transfer over local network. So you just have to disable this. Sometimes this feature interface with Steam content services. After that, you just have to restart Steam and try again. So just restart your Steam app and reopen it. Now go to the settings and click on the storage and then select the drive where your games are stored and then click on the three dots and choose repair library, the second option. This will scan and fix any corrupted files or connectivity issue, and that's it. These quick steps usually resolve Steam connectivity problems so you can get back to your games without any hassles. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.